Hello everyone. Today I'll give you some very important and useful information about your Gmail, the email you use to send emails and communicate. More. Even if you don't use Gmail, you should still double check some of the settings that videos that queiram as they can negatively e você não ir sin. Negatively e você eu pranto errante in In 99% of cases, these settings are used by scammers to zekata accounts, personal data, accounts of the dumb, buzzwords, and basically anything else from your phone. So these are general settings that will positively impact your security entirety. And if you have anything like Google Play, Google Chrome, Gmail, YouTube, or other services, be sure to double check these settings, settings. If you don't see anything that should desktop, for example, I have a folder like this one, and it contains all of these Google services. Here you'll find maps, regular Google, Google TV, MIN, and ever TTO Kakitas, everything Google related. And it's all connected because if you have at least one account logged in anywhere, it essentially acts as your email address, access services, and your account. Among other things. That's it. And now I'm going to show you some very important points, so be sure to watch the video to the end so you don't miss anything. These settings only need to be configured once and you'll feel safe and won't fall for 30.6 so for scammers don't take tricks. I'll tell you everything and show you now. Be sure to give the video a like or make sure to subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. So first we'll cover browsers. It doesn't matter which browser. If you don't have Google Chrome, for example, or have a standard browser like Mi browser, Opera, or Yandex, it doesn't matter at all because absolutely every browser sets its own search bar. It's a own search bar. You may also have a single browser, but still use Google search you some extent would. And there are settings that are undesirable for fraudulent activity. That's why I'm using Google Chrome as an example. Well, I think you'll find these same settings on your browser. They are available on any browser. Go to Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right, then scroll down to Settings. Click the first one, scroll down and find the setting called Downloaded Files Map. Click here. Look, in most cases, it will be disabled. Ask where to save file. Be sure to enable it. If we enable it, we see that it says enable. That means every time we download, we'll be asked where to save files. Next, be sure to watch the video to the end. I'll explain why we made these settings, and then you'll understand what it's all about. Go back with the arrow. Here, go to Website Settings. Scroll down almost to the very end. And there's an automatic download setting here. So it's best to disable it, or rather, block it. Now, regarding these actions we just took, we've actually taken two useful actions, and now I'll explain why. The thing is, most scammers use any links to steal data, and these links can be sent, for example, to your email. That's the case in most cases. These links can also be sent, for example, in a message and in general, to any messenger like Telegram, WhatsApp, Skype. Basically, it can be sent anywhere. And how does this usually happen? You receive a message in Gmail. It can say absolutely anything as long as you click on the link. For example, that a package is on its way to you. And to track this package, click on the packages, go to the website, and so on. Of course, even if you haven't ordered anything, you're thinking, what's on its way to me? I didn't order anything. And of course, what do you take? You click on this link. Meanwhile, your data is being stolen. What data? Well, anything. It could be passwords, it could be something related to banking transactions, your photos, account theft, hookah theft, mail sweep, anything. Or they might offer you some interesting service that's well described that costs very little, and you think, let me take a look. So you click on the link. In short, the list could go on and on. The idea is the same, to get you to click on some link and then right away some virus file is downloaded, which is what this steals this data. And why is it downloaded? Because you have settings set up so that it installs itself directly into Gmail without your knowledge and immediately takes a heavy read. And I'm it. You might not even notice, but it will happen. That's why we initially disabled automatic download settings in your browser. Now I'll show you two more very important settings that concern the correct settings for opening these links so they don't work in Gmail itself. And at the same time, we've also taken extra precautions to ensure they don't download automatically through the browser data. So be sure to watch the video to the end. Very useful information. Share with your friends. This is useful for everyone to know. Find your Gmail and click on it. Then, in the top left corner, there are 3 bars. Click on it. Scroll down a little to General Settings. Click on General Settings. Then you'll be redirected to this menu. If you have multiple accounts, you'll see all of them here. If you have just one account, then it's clear that there's only one. You need to click on General Settings at the very top. Click on it. Now, scroll down further. You'll see that you have a setting enabled called Open Links in Gmail window UTT point. It will be enabled. It says here that this supposedly speeds up web browsing, but in fact 99% of scammers use this very setting. And as I said before, if you click a malicious link, loot base is installed in Gmail itself and data is stolen You definitely need to disable this setting. Just turn it off. But don't scroll down too fast. Next, I'll show you other settings that basically relate to the same thing. Opening links. Opening links, but they will affect your entire smartphone. All the other apps that can do exactly this. Any link opens specifically in their space. The apps do the app space, not in the browser. And this is really unsafe. Look what we do next. Here we are. Now we need to go to the regular standard settings, neutral. Scroll down here and find the regular apps. There. Well, this is on every smartphone. I think there won't be any problems. Click. Next, go to all apps. Now look, the menu here can be different. Of course, all your apps are connected. Here, tap the 3 dots or look for the More button. Now that you've tapped it, tap Other Settings. Now we're in the settings where we can find pre-installed app. Basically, these are the apps that came with your smartphone, the standard ones. Tap Default App. Now scroll down and find a line called Open Links. Tap it. And look, it's an instant launch app. Open links in apps even if they're not installed on the device. This is a very dangerous setting. It's a very similar, just called a little differently, but the idea is the same. There are apps like, for example, in a browser, if you're searching for something, an ad might pop up and you want to close it. You wait for the ad to pass and then a little cross up appears. But sometimes the cross doesn't click and you're taken straight to a website only to quickly close it. It might not be an ad at all, but an instant launch app. And when you click that link, malware was downloaded. Of course, there will be benefits. So be sure to check this setting. These apps will be listed as having this access. Of course, the apps will be different for each one. Double check. This could include YouTube, Gmail, browsers, and other apps installed on your smartphone. Double check and Simply disable this slider to prevent these apps from having this access and opening these malicious links. Boost the Britta in domedismodreis. Even if you suddenly click on such a link, then again, if there is some kind of automatic download, then you disable these two download settings in the browser at the beginning of the video. And if the file starts and downloads, you will at least have a warning then about whether to download the file or not. And then you will think to yourself, I'm not downloading anything. What kind of file is this? Well, of course, and you will click cancel. And this will be the best decision to protect your data, your phone, and actually increase your security media deep clarity. I think the video was useful for many. Be sure to adjust these all important settings and you will thus increase your security several times.